Andrew, we knew this day was coming. We just didn't know when. Well, it happened Friday. Silver and gold got absolutely clobbered.
Well, I mean, gold was down about 10% to about $4,900 an ounce, and silver just got crushed. It fell about 30% to about $83 an ounce. Silver was $120 an ounce earlier this week. And so the market's really corrected, even though there's been still, big moves over the past year. Silver is still more than double over the last year or so. And it's tough to know exactly what precipitated it. Could have been the big run-up. I think Kevin Warsh's nomination as the Fed chair might have taken some of the wind out of the market because he's viewed as a bit of a more inflation hawk than some of the other candidates. And silver and gold have fed off, inflation expectations, the idea that the Trump administration and the Fed are really not going to be that interested in curbing inflation as they try to boost the economy.
I think you said it was the worst day for silver since the Hunt brothers cornered the market in the 80s.
Yeah, on a percentage basis it was. On an absolute basis, it was by far the worst day ever. Another factor could be that you're seeing Americans cashing in their gold and silver. They're lining up at coin shops and here in Manhattan on 47th Street. That silver set, the sterling silver set you may have that you're not using all that much. A five-piece set of sterling silverware is worth about $400 right now in silver value alone. So you have service for $8, that's a couple $1,000.
I don't have a service set for $8, but I did manage to cash in on some of this. I did get about $700 for some commemorative coins, and that was a pretty good deal. They were sitting in a sock drawer.
Your grandparents are not happy with
Probably not.
So Andrew, many of the forces that cause gold and silver to go up are still there. Maybe Kevin Warsh reassured people a little bit on inflation, but they're still there. For the people who missed out on this run, do you get in now? Yeah,
I think some of the fundamentals, supply deficit in silver and central bank demand for gold are still there. If you want to play gold, you can buy ETFs like the GLD, silver SLV, gold mining stocks GDX, and silver mining stocks ticker SIL and SLVR.
You are a ticker machine. Thank you, Andrew. Let's go to Barron's Investment Circle Picks. Megan, what do you have for us?
Well, I have S&P Global. So my colleague Tadchenko says that this is something to watch. It's actually the company behind, obviously, the major index. It has the rating business. And it was one of those businesses where it gained about 5% last year, despite having really good financial fundamentals. So there is room to run here. He predicts that, it's a good buy, and it trades about 26.5 times forward earnings compared to an average of almost 40. So it is one of those situations where it is a little bit of a bang for your buck situation.
Alrighty, and Ben, no scruples from you.
No, I'm looking at Universal. This was from Dan Victor. It's a tobacco distributor. It buys tobacco from farms and sells it to the big cigarette companies. It uses contracts with the farmers, so it doesn't really have exposure that way. It's also been doing a strategic shift, liquid nicotine. It's also doing other ingredients, and it also pays a nice 6% dividend. Has raised it for 55 years, making it a dividend king.
That's a pretty good record. Thank you, Megan, Ben, and Andrew.